my crystal.
Y'all cut off all that damn racket. Okay.
There is a problem with pegs.
Oh yeah, I know.
Even up they hit my leg.
I've told.
Mine
That's
keep
what I told her.
popping.
She's
You
like,
got
I
the
like it.
bruises yet?
I think when I tipped it, it like caught me right here.
She's like, I like the peg there, and I'm like, all right.
Well, I wanted like
Be calling abuse on me.
the security at first, and then I flipped it. I was like, okay,
We're making progress, I guess.
I told her, you ever watch the dinosaur show? You remember the dinosaurs on TV?
Yeah, walking with dinosaurs, or like the old one.
Not the
cartoon.
daddy, not the daddy with the baby. He's always like not the mommy or something.
Oh yeah.
That's what she looked like. The guys in them cartoons out there.
Because I'm so short trying to do it. That's alright. We'll figure it out.
So what's up, everybody? Me and Hellian's here. Say hello, Hellian.
Hello.
We are over here watching Ms. Hellbelly do her little rider class. You awake yet?
No.
Oh, someone overslept. I told him we were getting up early. But yeah, she's out there. That's cool. She was cranky this morning. She was tired too. Look at her go. She knows how to start it up. What do you think about that? We know she's good at that. All right, don't we? We know she is good at starting it.
Yes.
And putting it on its top.
Yes.
Now if she just keep the rubber side down, we'll be doing good, won't we?
Yeah.
had some speed on that one, didn't she?
Very fast.
No,
Most definitely.
we better watch out for her. So in case you guys don't know, myself, Hellion, we're out here commentating because Miss Hellbelly wanted to practice some on her bike. She's a little afraid because it's got some power.
Power.
But she's doing great. All right. Whoa. Camera went down. Here comes Evil Knievel. She's bringing her down the street. Listen to her roar. Well, what do you think?
She's doing good.
I'm waiting for her to shoot it in the yard at the end of the street. But she is doing very well, I'd have to say.
I just got done riding in the neighborhood for the first time after my basic riding course, and I'm really proud of myself. I still have a lot more to learn, and I hope that you guys follow along with me through this journey. The class was a little harder than I expected, and I had a little wreck prior to taking to my class, but I'm not gonna give up on something that I really want to do. So thank you guys, and hope you follow along with us. Bye.